Hey Sarah, Troy Brown here again, TLC Web Marketing. Hey, wanted to jump in here and take a look at your second site, your Essential Wellness Society. Love this idea. You are taking on building a directory. Love that idea. It's a good thing. So just take a look here. Again, we're going to talk about primarily content, backlinks, citations, just like the last video. Like the layout of the site. Obviously, very little content. I think you got like 100 words on here. And then you've got the directory portion, upcoming events. This is, you've got a good start to everything. I like how you have this laid out. Event. I know you don't have anything in here right now. You had some deals on a few different things here. So I know you want to be able to maybe sell from here too. Contact form is not set up yet, as you can see. Something's not quite connecting there. And then you've got this page here for people to join. That's all set up pretty well. You got a captcha at the bottom. None of these social medias are connecting properly. They all connect back to this home page. And then this one here, for some reason, it brings up HTML code for there, so we might want to fix that. Aside from that, just looking at content, obviously we're going to need content here. 1,500 words or more on your home page. Just explain who you are. You could break down these 4 things right here and just explain what your 4 areas are that you're focused on. And so content. Now, I went in and again took a look at where your site is right now. So you have a 17 UR, 1.7 DR. So you actually have a little bit of power here. The website obviously need to come up. You do have 78 backlinks from 14 referring domains, representing you're qualifying for 20 organic keywords. So again, a good start. And let's take a look at the competition. Did a search for Wholistic Professionals Colorado Springs, because that's going to lead us to directories most likely. So the first one, sure enough, healthgrades.com. So this is a nationwide directory, and they gave us Holistic Healing Health here in Colorado Springs. But healthgrades.com is the name of that directory. Here's some of their numbers. I put this in here. You can see they're 12 and 86 for their ratings, 10 organic keywords. You see no backlinks or referring domains because, again, this is a national directory. You can see group directory right here. Then it breaks it down: Colorado, Colorado Springs. Then it goes from there. Same with number 2, which is Health Professionals or healthprofs.com. Naturopaths in Colorado Springs. That's what that brought up. Take a look at them in Ahrefs. So this is showing, let me drop this down here. So if we narrow this down to local search, again, just 15 organic keywords in there, they get all this power because it's a national site, but not real popular, and essentially no backlinks or referring domains for their Colorado Springs naturopaths. Same thing for Health is sorry, I'll get them here. Health is this is what this page looks like. So basically just repetitive things saying 10 best, 30 best, health practitioners, holistic health, that kind of thing. So this is kind of a, in my opinion, kind of a funky directory, but that's in the number 3 position. And then this actually was in the 4th position, the organic cure. So I thought this was kind of interesting. Natural healthy kids, gentle, non-toxic, sustainable, etc. And they're here in Colorado Springs also. In fact, just for fun, let's go ahead and throw them into the tool here so you can just see what they're looking like. We'll replace them here. See what their numbers look like. So this is, okay, so this is a little different. Of course, this is not a directory. This is more somebody that might be one of your clients to add to the directory, actually. So you can see their backlinks, 10 referring domains, 237 organic keywords. So that gives you an overview. Again, kind of duplicate of the last video. Relevant backlinks. So if we go back here and we click on your backlinks, meetup domains.tnt code. Oh, big list of websites, keyword suggest tools, raw ranked, got 3 or 4 there, microlink, green woman market. So yes, you or somebody got out there and put in some there's healthza. So quite a few of those. Oh, look at that healthza. Okay, well, good. So build more of these. These backlinks are okay. PDNS, Advanced Therapy Institute, perfect. Healthmedical.info. So good start on backlinks. So more content on the first page. Definitely need to add quite a few backlinks, get things up there. And then as we talked about before, your NAP name, address, phone number for relevant relevant citations across the web, and then that'll get this found for you, and you can start building this directory, and of course reaching out to local people. But looks like you've got a good start on this one. Just a question of building it up over time. I did not check to see if you have a GMB for the Central Wellness Society, but if not, that's definitely something that you could do too. So great looking at these 2 websites, Sarah, and feel free to get back to me if you have any questions. Thanks.